This is at the ILUNION Hotel. There's a TV going behind me, you can hear that. Very quickly. Oh, I guess the service car is that other. There's a room. There you can see, it's just advertising for the hotel. I don't know why they advertise a hotel you're already staying at. Like, you've sold it. You don't need to anymore. I don't know. They're already staying there. It's got the flickery lighting, of course. Also, this display is messed up. There's all these dead spots on it. Look at that. I wonder what that's about. Maybe it's like something they spray on it? I don't even know how that happens. Anyway, this is the ballroom level. And, anyway,